Hello people, this is IO News at StarCraft. Today we're going to be this is a video that I promised to another YouTube user for Sims 2 to do. Today's video will be how to back up your entire Sims 2 neighborhood and everything else simply through your Windows Explorer. Okay, first off you have to remember the pathway for basically what this presentation is going to do is going to show you how you can transmit your Sims 2 neighborhood data as well as all your Sims that you've created to another computer that has Sims 2 installed. I'm going to advise you a couple things. One, if your house has anything from an expansion pack that isn't installed on the other computer, those objects will immediately be deleted. Any aspirations or any other things that are included on an expansion pack that you don't have on the computer that you take it to, they will not carry over. You have to make sure to have all your Sims 2 expansions up to date on each computer. Otherwise, everything will not fully transfer. Okay, well, with that out of the way, let's just go straight into this. Bitch. First off, you have to find the Sims 2 memory. So you would have to go to for Microsoft XP users. You're going to go to My Computer. My Documents, EA Games, Sims 2, and you should find your Sims 2 data there. Now, for Windows Vista users, you're going to go to Documents, EA Games, and you follow the same pathway. Now, once we're in this thing, what you have to do is you have to go to where it says Neighborhoods. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wrap your neighborhood. For example, Neighborhood 1, wrap the neighborhood that you're using. Neighborhood 1 would be Neighborhood 1, 2, and 3 are the default neighborhoods that you start off with. Strangetown, Pleasant View, etc., etc. These are the default ones. This is the default one, what is it, like Rose something, that you get when you have the Seasons expansion pack and I believe Bon Voyage. Okay, what you want to do is if you want to back up every sim that you have created, every place you have created, simply highlight all of these and you're going to want to send to compressed zip folder. Now it's going to take some time for it to zip up. So I'm just going to speed this forward to when the zip is done. Okay, the 5 minutes of actually getting the zip file done is now complete. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do, let me just minimize this. Now, let's say that instead, to actually get it over to another computer, you're going to need a flash drive or some kind. Or you can set up a work group at your house. That way you could then just put the file into a shared folder and walk over to your computer and just take it out. But workgroups is something that I'll probably have to explain to you in another video if I do this. I don't know if I want to do this because then everyone will be able to set up workgroups and then I can't get money because I can actually get money from that. Okay, let's say we go to another computer, so you transfer your data over and we're going to take the zip out. What you're going to do is you're going to grab all of these, you're going to highlight everything that you had, and you just transfer it over You also might need the Neighborhood Manager package that you see right here. So you might want to, so in your case, you're probably going to want to make sure you take everything and zip it up. After that, it's simply highlight everything, drag it into your folder. And that's just pretty much it. That's how you back up your entire Sims 2 memory. That means when you start Sims 2 at the other computer, you're going to have everything that you had at the last computer. If you have The same thing is going to apply for downloads. Just right-click the downloads, put them into a zip folder, put them into a flash drive, bring it over to the computer, and just copy the downloads folder into that. Same. You're going to want to do it to have everything, to have your Sims 2 exactly as it was before, exactly how you have it at the computer that you're transferring this data over to. You'll have to basically right-click on the Sims 2, create the zip folder, and then replace the Sims 2 with the zip folder Sims 2. That in turn will back up your neighborhood data from one computer to the next, so that if you know that your computer is going to be getting rid of, or has a virus and you can't get rid of it, or you know for a fact you're getting rid of it in the next few months, that's how you get your Sims 2 data over from one computer to the next. Okay, that's pretty much all I need to go into for this conversation. This is Iron News at StarCraft signing off.